This is the final video that I'm going to make on profit. Okay, so this is part 3 of a 3-part series. So if you haven't watched the others, just go back to those in my playlist and you can see those. So in this video, we're going to be looking at what is the shutdown point for a firm. So when they're making subnormal profits, okay? So when a firm makes a subnormal profit, we expect them to close down, but we're trying to figure out in this video when exactly are they going to shut down. So the answer to that question is, it's when a firm can no longer cover its variable costs of production. Now, if you remember from any previous videos that you've watched of mine, the variable cost of production is the cost that the firm must pay when they produce an extra unit of production. Okay, so whenever a firm is making more output, their variable costs go up. Okay, so businesses need to be able to pay these, otherwise they can't make any units. Okay, and a business that can't produce output has to shut down. Okay, so here's a little diagram here, and I've assumed this to be for the competitive firm. Okay, so these dashed lines here represent the demand curves, because the firm has to price take. So at the long run equilibrium, which is here, at price P, can you see the price is equal to the average total cost? At this point, the firm is making normal profits, okay? So they don't shut down. But anywhere below this point P, the firm is making subnormal profits. Okay, so where do they shut down? Well, it will be at P star here. Okay, so it's going to be at this point here, P star. And the reason for that is if you follow that dashed line along, okay, go to the point MR equals MC. So this is MR as well, this dashed line, MR equals MC. It's right there. And you'll find that it intersects the average variable cost curve. So the firm stays alive in the short run between these two price points, even though it's making subnormal profits. In the long run, they will go out of business because they can't pay their fixed costs, but for a short period of time, they can survive. However, if they now go below this price here, below that P star, they will be out of business regardless of short run or long run. They will be out of business. So from P star, I'll say that again, from P star, the price where the price equals the average variable cost, all the way up to price P, the firm can stay alive in the short run. Hope that made sense. Any questions, just leave them in the comment section below.